Hello guys, welcome back to another video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Avant account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your Avant account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get back to the video. So to log into your Avant account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Avant credit card login and make a search. Among the search results, click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Avant. Now, to log into your Avant account, what you need to do is enter your ID and password that is associated with your Avant account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Don't remember your password. After entering your ID and password, click on Login. This is how you can log into your Avant credit card account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.